Let me show you how it's done. Ready? This is how you take off mirrors. Just like that. Easy peasy. Ready? Ready for another one? Ready? Boom. Done. So on this side here, we got two mirrors. They've been painted, but the paint is coming off. They don't look so great, and they're kind of falling apart. The other side is much worse. Let me go show you what the Breadtruck mirrors look on this side. This is the one that everyone comments on because it's on my passenger side, and you see me coming out of this door more often than any other place. So today, guess what we're doing? We're getting rid of that. We're getting rid of these ugly ass mirrors. The Breadtruck is gonna be official after this. Let me show you how it's done. Ready? This is how you take off mirrors. Just like that. Easy peasy. Ready? Ready for another one? Ready? Boom. Done. Now that I've got the old pieces of crap off, I got this brand new, beautiful, shiny new mirror, front and back, from millsupply.com. They are the sponsor of this video and the sponsor of the channel. We're putting new mirrors on the Breadtruck finally.
Let me just tell you a little bit about Mill Supply. Mill Supply is a sponsor of this channel. For all my Stepvan people out there, if you're looking for Stepvan parts, Mill Supply is the place to go. Mill Supply is family owned and operated, based out of Cleveland, Ohio. Head on over to millsupply.com and you can identify your vehicle, search for parts, and have them delivered straight to your home. You can even get replacement panels for your Volkswagen and many other classic cars. You can also get metal replacement panels for your restoration project, such as my Volkswagen. This video has been brought to you in part by millsupply.com.
So what I have is two different kinds of mirrors. The one I just put on is a wide angle. It's a curved glass. This one is a flat glass. Nice, big, wide angle view. I hate it when they put stickers on stuff. I always gotta peel off these stickers. It's much nicer. Okay, now this one goes on. I got the mirrors on. It looks so much nicer.
I want you to see this.
Here, let's see on camera.
There you go. That's what that oil I put in there looks like. See?
Nice. Very
see how
clean.
much better that was?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all.
Not bad. Mine is way worse.
Oh, yeah. And that's going to be changed twice more.
So Mac here is one of my subscribers, and he wouldn't take no for an answer. He had to get his hands on this Breadtruck and make sure that this engine is healthy. So that's what we're doing right now. We're doing a oil service on it.
See my little funnel set up?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, you put oil in this before. You appreciate that, don't you?
Yeah, it was good. I use sometimes those paper ones from a gas station or whatever, but. We're doing a major oil service on the Breadtruck right now. We're doing a filter cleaning. We're gonna flush the system. We're gonna clean up this diesel big time so I can get more horsepower out of it and more longevity. I've got to remove a couple more mirrors. You know how I do it. Go. One more mirror. There you have it. Now we're doing oil service. I got all the synthetic diesel oil to put in it.
You have to actually see the little crease in it. That's where you gotta.
Essentially what we're doing to the bread truck right now is we're changing the oil 3 times. The first time we added chemical that's going to get all of the filth and the dirtiness out of that motor that's been in there for so long. We dump that, then we put in a second oil change. The second oil change has no chemical, no anything. It's just clean, fresh oil that's gonna help rinse the rest of that debris out of the motor and get it super clean. Now, after this one, we're on the second right now. Then we're gonna do a third oil change. The third oil change is gonna stay in the truck. It's full synthetic, and we're gonna add some Lucas and a little bit of other goodies that are gonna really help the longevity of this diesel. They're already known to last 500,000, 1,000,000 miles, but I really wanna make sure that the bread truck gets there. So I am doing everything I can, and my buddy Mac here is helping me out get the bread truck so that it stays on the road. Not just like, you know, for a while, but like indefinitely.